Hey, what's going on out there in this great land of YouTube? This is Jack. I just wanted to express something with you guys. It's the gratefulness and the gratitude of what we call our higher spirits, a divine intervention, spirit birds. You call it what you want, that's your choice. I'm gonna call it what I see. Hawks, beautiful birds flying in the sky when it's needed the most. Bottom line, I don't want to share the story because the story's still not written. That means that we create our own story. Never dwell on the negative, only the positive. It's something I'm trying to learn today. I want to thank everyone for watching. Remember, if we do stand for something, we won't fall for anything. So let's make it easy on ourselves. Choose love, everyone. Blessings towards everyone that needs it the most. Love ya.